You asked, how to divide 8122 by 7 using the long division method. 8 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Bring down 2, making 42. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. 42 minus 42 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 7 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1160 remainder 2.